So you want to replace your existing dishwasher. Before we get too excited and buy one, there is some information we're going to need to make sure the installation goes as smoothly as possible. The first one is measurements. When we ask you for width and height, we're not asking you for the physical dishwasher's width and height. We actually are going to need you to measure the internal cabinet from the inside edge where the dishwasher meets it to the other inside edge where the other side meets it. In most cases, this is going to be 24. Sometimes you can see 23 and a half. Sometimes you can see beyond 24. It depends on the cabinet style, the age of the kitchen, etc. But for the most part, dishwashers are 24 inches wide. There is such a thing as 18-inch, but that is few and far between here in our area. The more important measurement is going to be your height. And you want to take it from the floor in front of your dishwasher, in front of it, up to the bottom edge of your countertop. As you see here, we're in a showroom. We're right there at 34 and a half, which is like the industry standard for cabinet height. Why we need this is here, not just in Pittsburgh, but in every market. We see a lot of flooring get replaced and set on top of old flooring. So if you have 34 and a half where your feet are, but then you have 33 where the new flooring is in front of the dishwasher, we're going to need to get something that can fit into the 33 and then extend within the 34 and a half. This height measurement is absolutely crucial. Your salesperson will probably ask you for your existing model number. Just so you know, most dishwashers, regardless of age, you're going to find a serial tag on the inside edge of your door, whether it be the left or the right, or the inside edge of the tub flange, whether it be the left or the right. There's usually going to be a model number and a serial number, regardless of the manufacturer. There's three utilities when it comes to a dishwasher installation: the drain, hot water, electricity. The easiest one to look for will be electricity. Is there an outlet underneath your sink cabinet? If there isn't an outlet under your sink cabinet, make note of it, because that means you're probably hardwired under the unit. A drain, that's going to be a ribbed plastic line coming out of the cabinet next to the sink. In most cases, here in this area, it's going to be coming into the garbage disposal. If you don't have a disposal, it'll be going into a standpipe. If you don't see that ribbed plastic drain anywhere in your sink cabinet next to your dishwasher, make note of that. When it comes to your water, it needs a 3A shutoff valve, hot. If you don't see a shutoff valve, or you don't see a stainless or copper or PEX line coming from said valve over into the dishwasher cabinet, make note of it. That means that your water is probably coming up and under your dishwasher. Finally, make sure that your shutoff valve, if it is located under your sink, can open and close fully, and test it and see if the dishwasher will run when you shut it off. A lot of these tend to seize after they haven't been opened and closed after 10, 15, and 20 years.